Hey guys, welcome back to Reading and Writing Refuge. I hope you've had a great winter coming on into spring. I know I've been kind of missing in action here on the writing channel. Well, there's been a lot of things happening, both like at a personal level and family things and just busyness, things that need to get done. But also, it's gardening season. I do also have a gardening channel, and all of my free time has been kind of shifted into the gardening, and I have been wanting to get with you guys and write, make some writing content videos. It's just by the end of the night, I'm exhausted, and family's first, and then I'm trying to push and get a few other things done that need to get done. And then I've got a little time for the gardening. And then unfortunately, I've been putting the writing down here. And I do feel guilty about that because the whole point of starting this channel was to get back into writing. So we're going to do a writing prompt today. I'm glad you're here. It's going to be a quick one. It's going to be inspired by something from the garden. And I'm going to show you what it is. And then I'm going to tell you the word. So you don't have to be inspired by what I'm going to show you, but it is the word that I want you to run with. As soon as you see it, start writing. We're going to do it for 8 minutes. You can pause right now and go get your materials, pen, paper, laptop, whatever you need to create. If you're an artist, get your sketch pad, your pencils. So pause. Okay, so you ready to see what we're going to talk about? Well, let me show you the garden inspiration first. It is this stunning, gorgeous guy that I love so much, this plant. It's called Slingshot Black Petunia, and it is just stunning and gorgeous. And this is the actual color of the flower. It is as black as this little sun here. It is just so gorgeous. I love it. So I'm going to put a word on the screen. I hope you're ready. You went and got all your writing material or art material. The word I want you to write about today, I want you to take it as literal or as figuratively as you want. Just whatever comes to mind, take off writing. I'll come back at the halfway mark and let you know, hey, we're halfway. Then I'll come back at the end of the video and say, good job, you did it. So are you ready? The word is black. We are at the halfway mark. You're doing a great job. Keep going. So how'd you do? How did that writing go? Um, was it therapeutic? Was it exciting? Was it adventurous? Like what inspired you from, you don't have to tell me. I'm just kind of talking here about it. A lot of writers like to keep their stuff close as they're working on it, but I hope that you got some inspiration and it triggered something really great that you could write about. I mean, that's a powerful color. I know it's not technically a color, it's a tone, right? But it could trigger a lot. It's used so much in tropes. I just hope you were able to get some passionate writing out and energized. And um, yeah, I'm going to try to come back as much as possible, guys. I really do feel bad about that. But if you're a gardener, check out my gardening channel. If not, it's still, we're almost to spring. You could buy a plant, you could buy a flower, keep it nearby. It's great inspiration. I find the gardening to be very therapeutic, but also full of metaphor. All right, see you soon. Bye.